Hey lawn lovers, it's Jimmy from Lilydale Instant Lawn. Have you ever walked barefoot across your lawn and thought, why does my backyard lawn feel like a trampoline? That's your grass telling you it's a bit too thatchy. What's thatch? Thatch is the layer of organic matter between the soil and the growing leaf of the turf. Now a little bit of thatch is healthy, but too much, it's like trying to breathe under a doona. Limited air, limited water, limited nutrients. And suddenly, your lawn's looking a little bit sad. So what's a gardener, homeowner or landscaper to do? Dethatch. Grab a dethatching rake for small patches, or for larger lawns, a verticutter or scarifier might be a better option. Now different varieties have varying needs. For example, cooch and kikuyu can be scarified heavily, whereas buffalo lawns need a more gentle approach. However, the process is still the same. First, mow the grass short with your normal rotary mower. Next, run your scarifier in multiple directions, making sure to take out plenty of unnecessary thatch. Then you'll need to pick up the mess with either a rake or a mower with a catcher. Finally, fertilise and give it a good soak in. It's like giving your lawn a spa day, and it will thank you with lush green glory. Timing matters too. Late spring to early summer is the sweet spot for grass. It's growing like mad and bounces back faster than a kangaroo on Red Bull. Remember, treat your lawn with a mix of tender love and tough love, and it will reward you with the kind of green that makes your neighbours jealous.